In today's video, I'll be showing you the smoothie I used to replace my breakfast. Guys, anytime I don't feel like eating, I always have alternative, and that is this smoothie. I always make sure that I take something before I go out from the house. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nenye. If it's your first time of stopping by on my channel, please kindly press the red button and subscribe. And to my old subscribers, guys, I don't know how to thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and thank you friends for sharing my videos and everything. I really appreciate you guys all. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'll be showing you the smoothie I used to replace my breakfast. These are the things I'll be using to do the smoothie. Here I have spinach, I have avocado pear, I have milk, banana and the cucumber. This is a green smoothie. It's very healthy. If you're looking for something to eat, or you don't feel like eating something before going out of the house every morning, you can just be taking this smoothie. It's very healthy. What I'm going to do now is just peel off the back and put all of them inside the blender, and then add the milk and blend it immediately. So that's what I'm going to do now. So guys, right now I'm going to peel out the banana skin. I'm just going to so after that I'll cut it to help my blender. That's the reason why I'm cutting it. Guys, I don't think I'll be using all this. I think I will use half of it. That's what I'll be using. Now I'm done with the peel. I'm just going to add all of them into the blender. Alright, now I'll add the milk. I'm just going to cover it up and blend. So guys, I'm just going to blend everything together right now. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to start drinking. Wait, I so much love taking my smoothie every morning. Anytime I'm blending my smoothies, I'm always happy because of the way the smoothie comes out. Always looks so creamy. Okay? Oh my goodness. Are you saying it? Guys, our healthy smoothie is ready. As you can see here, it's very ready. If you find it very difficult to eat in the morning before going out, you can just start taking this smoothie. It's very healthy, I can tell you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, like and comment and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.